Welcome to Maths Made Easy. Today we are going to solve another interesting question featuring simplification of complex equation. Find the value of x if 3 raised to x minus 9 to the power 3 plus 9 raised to x minus 3 to the power 3 is equal to 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to x minus 12 to the power 3. So let's get started. We are going to assume 3 raised to x minus 9 as a, 9 raised to x minus 3 as b. And if you see carefully, you can find that 9 raised to x is there, 3 raised to x is there, minus 9 and minus 3, that is minus 12, is also here. So this term is automatically a plus b. Here is the much clear version. 3 raised to x minus 9a, 9 raised to x minus 3 as b. And then a plus b is equal to 3 raised to x minus 9 plus 9 raised to x minus 3. 3 raised to x, 9 raised to x, minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12. Now what I can write is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube. So it's here now, and I know the formula for a plus b the whole cube. It's directly a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So a cube will cancel each other, b cube and b cube will cancel each other. What we are left is 0 is equal to 3 times of ab times of a plus b, where I can say that a times b times a plus b is equal to 0. So here is the clear one with good handwriting. A cube cancel, b cube cancel, 3ab times a plus b is equal to 0. Then I divide the entire equation with 3. I have a times b times a plus b is equal to 0. Meaning to say that I can write a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or a plus b is equal to 0. If we are done till here, it's half done. Here it is, a equal to 0, b equal to 0, a plus b equal to 0. This is our halfway. Now the value of a was 3 raised to x minus 9. Let's see that. Three raised to x minus 9 was equal to a, but what I find was a is equal to 0. So 3 raised to x minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is shifted to the right hand side of the equation, so it becomes positive 9. 3 raised to x equal to 9. 9 can be written as 3 raised to 2, which means the value of x is 2. Let's see the other two cases. B is equal to 0, but the value of b is 9 raised to x minus 3. As for our previous assumption, what we have already assumed. So 9 raised to x minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 shift to the other side becomes plus 3. 9 can be written as 3 raised to 2 raised to x is equal to 3. So I can say that 2 raised to x, this can be written as 3 raised to 2x is equal to 3 raised to 1. Meaning to say that 2 raised to x is equal to 1, that is x is equal to 1 upon 2. Here are the steps. Now the last case, a plus b is equal to 0. since a plus b is equal to 0, and we also know that a plus b is equal to 9 raised to x plus 3 raised to x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now this 9 can be written as 3 raised to 2x, and then 3 raised to x minus 12 is equal to 0, and then I can take this 3 raised to x as m or t or any other variable which comforts us. So this was like this: 3 raised to 2x, 3 raised to x minus 12 is equal to 0. I will substitute 3 raised to x is equal to m. So this becomes m square plus m minus 12. After further we will factorize this to get the value of m. M square plus 4m minus 3m minus 12, which can be written as m plus 4 minus 3 comma minus 3 common, m plus 4 is equal to 0. Till here. From here we have two more cases. The value of m is equal to minus 4, or the value of m is equal to plus 3, but the value of m is 3 raised to x, so meaning to say that 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to x is equal to minus 4, 3 raised to x is equal to 3. I am just resubstituting the value of m from here. So m plus 4 is equal to 0, that is the value of m is 3 raised to x, 3 raised to x plus 4 is equal to 0, 4 is shifted to the other end, 3 raised to x is equal to minus 4. We will talk about this in few minutes. M minus 3 is equal to 0, but the value of m is 3 raised to x, 3 raised to x minus equal to 0, 3 shifted to the other side, 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to 1. From here we can see x is equal to 1. Now here is very important concept. Any real number raised to any value, either positive or negative, will never give you negative number. Meaning to say that, let's say this 3 is equal to, if let's say I will demonstrate 3 raised to 1 will never give you minus 4. You also know that 3 raised to 2 will never give you minus 4. Let us do something like this: 3 raised to minus 1. 3 raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 3, and 1 divided by 3 is 0.333333, but it is never going to be minus. So this particular part is imaginary concept, imaginary value. So we will stop our work at this point, because this is not going to give us any value for x. So the value for x is 2, 1 upon 2 and 1. Since raising any real number to a power will always result in positive number, that's why this part was disqualified. I hope I was able to simplify this question, and if you like this content, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Thank you.